Now let's look at a situation when the first and the last term of the arithmetic progression are given and you have to find out the sum of the arithmetic progression. This is a pretty simple, straightforward question, but for the sake of completeness, we are trying to do this. Given that a is equal to 9, a is what? It is the first term, and d is equal to minus 5. D is what? It's the common difference, and the last term of an arithmetic progression is minus 241. Find the sum of an AP. Now you know that the sum of an AP can also be given by n by 2 a plus L, right? Where a stands for the first term, L stands for the last term, n stands for the number of terms in an arithmetic progression. If I apply it to this case, do I know the value of n? The answer is no. I don't know the value of n. How many terms are there in an AP? So I will just leave it as it is, divided by 2 times a. A is what? It's the first term, so I will just write 9 over here. And L is what? It's the last term, which is minus 241. So I will, instead of doing a plus, I will just write minus 241 over here, right? Or in other words, I get 2 times minus 241 and 9 will give you minus 232. But I need to find out the value of n. We know that the value of an nth term, Tn, is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. So my nth term or the last term is what? It is equal to minus 241, which is given to me. My a or the first term is 9 plus n minus 1. My common difference is minus 5. If I just solve this for the value of n, what do I get? I get 9 minus 5n plus 5 is equal to minus 241. Right? 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Right? Minus 5n, when it goes to the other side, it becomes 5n is equal to 241 plus 14. Or n is equal to 241 plus 14 gives you 255 divided by 5, 51. Right? I put in the value of 51 over here. 2 goes into this 116 times. Right? Or in other words, the sum is equal to 51 times 116, which is what? Which is equal to 5916. And that's your answer. So this was pretty simple. You know the value of A. You need the value of L. The only thing you had to do was find out the value of N.